And now, my friends, I know the PPT, they were self-explanatory, but yet, if there are any questions that you would like to ask our dignitaries right here on stage, this is the best time to do so.
Would you be looking at co-marketing, co-promotion?
Yeah, of course. We'll look at it. Depends on the product and the opportunity.
Thank you.
Will there be any side effects?
Basically, our product is the natural form, and also we checked everything for the toxicity of the new product. As far as we checked no toxicity, and also after checking of the clinical studies, and so we confirmed the side effect, and without any side effect, we started the launch of our product in the market.
We'd like to know the contraindications of the medicines. Contraindications, so that we'll be more confident in writing them.
Okay, and as to flavonoid, so that is related the regulation in India, and so basically is flavonoid is for the anti-metabolic and something for the decrease of the visceral fat, and ubiquinol is, for example, the maintain of the heart function and something. So such kind of the indication is related to the regulation in each market.
So as far as the dose is concerned of the ubiquinol QH, is there any drug range that you are talking about? Since the usage in hypertension, CHF, all is there. We most of the time see patients having diabetes, hypertension, on statins, also in CHF. So is there any drug range that you are specifically quoting over here?
About ubiquinol is bioavailability of the ubiquinol is not so good, but for the improvement of the absorption and the bioavailability, I recommend you to some develop some formulation something. But as far as we checked, I showed in our clinical studies, Dr. Rangshon showed the good result of for the chronic heart failure, and also usually we use the soft gelatin form of the ubiquinol because the soft gelatin form is good for the absorption of the lipid-soluble product. Ubiquinol is a lipid-soluble product, and also basically we would like to recommend of the using of the soft gel form.
I have a small question. These corals which you are extracting are from the sea, and the place where your plant is, we just heard about a couple of months back, there was a mishap. So any effect of those radiations on the corals which you will be taking out, or is that also being tested?
These products before dispatch are being tested in the factory for radiation, and in fact Indian government regulations currently mandate that all products imported into India from Japan are getting tested for radiation. So all these products have been tested and approved by the regulatory body.
I have a question. Can we use these drugs indefinitely?
We want you to. Yes, of course.
But can they be used indefinitely?
Yeah, they can be used.
They can be
used indefinitely.
Then I want to ask a next question to you, that the prices are pretty steep. How do you want to attack that?
We are trying to attack that on many fronts, actually. Firstly, on the most of the price component is on the custom duty that we are paying.
I see.
Government of India thinks it is a luxury to have these products, and the custom duty is very high. So we are trying to approach Government of India to reduce the custom duty on these products. Also, we are looking to do a lot of the value addition that is currently happening in Japan. We can get the bulk powder into India.
Exactly, that's
and try and do the formulation in India, so that will reduce the cost.
Yes.
So going forward, definitely, we are looking to attack this cost problem for sure.
And how do we get them besides the website? You don't have any other method?
See, what we are trying to do is we are trying to sell it through doctors, and doctors will be prescribing it to patients. So
No.
obviously it will be available in various retail shops and chemist shops in certain areas.
Okay.
So obviously that information will also be available on the website. You can also call, SMS, lots of other contact points are there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can athletes use this as a alibi for protein supplements?
Yes, of course, of course. In fact, for AgeStat already is presented data for athletes. They've used it and they've been tested for, all the regulations, that WADA regulations with respect to doping. So even QH is being used by athletes for better heart function. So yes, definitely. In fact, it will improve their performance. Yeah.
For minimum, how many months it should be taken so that the results will be obvious?
I have taken flavonoid and it starts becoming obvious in 2 to 3 months.
One question about flavonoid. While it has been shown that it reduces the body fat, and the clinical studies which are shown here, whether they were carried out under controlled conditions, that is allowing them to take the normal food, or it is some controlled food?
In the clinical studies, basically we don't control of the intake of food, and also we check the total calorie of the intake of food for each patient. So there is no difference of the flavonoid group and the placebo group.
But what will be, whether we have to continue the intake of these flavonoid capsules, or whether we can stop it after some time? Or whether if you stop it, then whether it will again we gain the fat, or what is the study?
It depends on you actually, but you will lose a lot of weight on the tummy. A lot of your inches you will lose from there, and you will continue losing them healthily because your metabolic syndrome is getting optimized. So essentially your metabolic rate is at a level where it should be, rather than what happens to you in your lifestyle. Because of that your metabolic rate goes down. So it depends on you entirely, but we recommend that you should continue having it. It will keep you in good shape. And has no side effects. It's actually muletti. I think people would know. So extracted from muletti, so it has no side effects.
Hello. I have a question here regarding these products which you talked about, the aging. It slows down the aging process and sort of delays the wrinkling. Does it roll back the years? If somebody already has a lot of wrinkles, will it roll back years?
Will it? It will slow down aging, but will it take it back? That's the question, right? If you lost your hair. Yeah, hair does grow over a period of time. Yeah, there have been such cases. I wish I could show you. You show me Sa's photograph 2 years before and now. So there's a visible difference. He's looking much younger than he was 2 years back.
One of the slides did show that the body milieu changed drastically alkaline.
Didn't
The pH increased to somewhere around 11.6 or something. Do you think that such increase in pH, alkaline milieu of the pH, is it good for the body?
Which presentation were you talking? Which product?
Well, one of the products, I
AgeStat?
don't remember. Because one of the products did show that the body pH changed severely alkaline.
pH in the body is not measured. That's all.
But the slide did show that. I don't know if you can go back to the slides and see that. That one of the slides did mention that the body pH was 11 point something after taking the medicine.
It is not body pH, just ORP of pH of Sendai City tap water's pH.
That was tap water pH. Sendai City tap water pH.
That's what I was saying, that it is not compatible if you are talking about body pH.
All right, thank you so much, dignitaries, for joining us on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, please?